class 1 EVS. Okay, let's start now. We have started the second chapter. Okay, that is body, isn't it? We have done this one. See, last day we finished till here. Okay, and today see my body parts. We have started this second chapter, so we have finished till here last day. Okay, now we will start from here. So write today's date first. Date is 8/5. Okay, now see. So what functions of the body parts? Eyes we see. Let us revise once. Eyes we see, tongue we taste, neck, okay, neck, head rest on top of the neck, nose we breathe and smell, we write and hold with our hands and fingers, we stand, walk, dance and run on with our feet. Okay, these are the things, these are the functions, body functions we are learning now. More body parts are there and more functions. Let's see. Next is mouth. I eat and speak with my mouth. What does our mouth do? Eat and speak with my mouth. I bite and chew food with my teeth. What do you do with the teeth? You bite and chew. That will help you to swallow your food. If you bite and chew the food well, you can swallow it easily. Okay? Bite and chew the food with my teeth. I feel with my skin. Okay, you feel, you touch, you get the feeling. With what? With the skin. Okay, so mouth, what does mouth do? We eat and speak with the mouth. Teeth, we bite and chew the food with the teeth, and skin, we feel with our skin. Okay, more people have brown eyes than any other color. Now most of the people, they have what? Which color eyes? Brown eyes than other color. Okay, now next is time to answer now. Write 2 things you can do with the following. Now you have to write 2 things that you can do with your mouth, 2 things that you can do with your hand, 2 things that you can do with your leg. This one you will do by yourself. This will be your homework. What you do with your mouth? You speak and talk. See, we eat and speak. Eat and speak, right hand, eat and speak. Hand, we write and hold. Hand, last day we have learned this one. And legs, we walk, we run. So many things are there. This one you do by yourself. This will be your homework. Okay. Now, let's go to the next page. That is toe. Meaning, toe means one of the 5 parts at the end of the foot. The toes we have. The foot. 5 toes we have. Teeth, the hard white part in the mouth that help us to bite and chew. Teeth, everyone has that white part, with that you eat your food, bite and chew. Okay. Now I know our body has many parts. This is what in the whole chapter. Our body has many parts. Each part of the body has some special uses, some special functions. Some parts of our body are in pairs and some are in single. We have many body parts, and we have many body parts single, like eyes, ears. Okay, so what? Hands, legs. So we have two, and many parts, nose, mouth. These are all what we have single. Our body parts help us to do many things. Our body parts, they help us to do many things. Okay, so we have finished the chapter. Now let us revise once. Okay, so what does we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. What do we do with our tongue? We taste with our tongue. Neck, it rests, the head rests on the neck, and it helps to turn our head. Because of neck, we can turn our head. Nose, we breathe and smell with the nose. Hands, we hold and write with the hand or fingers. And feet, legs, that is, we stand, walk, dance and run with our legs and feet. Mouth, we eat and speak with our mouth. Teeth, we bite and chew with our teeth. We feel with our skin. Skin, we feel. Okay. Now, this is the whole chapter. Body parts and this. Now, let's do this one. Let us practice now. Let us practice this one. Okay. With which part of your body you do this? With which part of your body you bite? Write teeth. All of you take a pencils and write TWTH, teeth. Good. With what do you write? With hand. Write HAND, hand. With what do you kick? That is leg, LEG, leg. With what do you run? This also leg. Leg. Without leg you cannot kick, we cannot run. Leg, leg. Okay. Smell. With what do you smell? Nose. 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 Clear? So these are the things that you do, and it's the body parts. Bite, teeth, right, hand, kick, leg, run, leg, smell, nose. Clear? Now this one, write the names of all the body parts you see in the picture. You have to write the names of these are all body parts that you have to see. This one you will do by yourself. Okay? This is what? Hand. Write here hand. This is foot. F-O-O-T, foot. This is arm. A-R-M, arm. This is mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. This is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. This is ear. E-A-R, ear. This is eye. E-Y-E, eye. This is leg. L-E-G, leg. And this is F-A-C-E, face. Okay? Face. Let's write now. Take a pencil and write, all of you. H-A-N-D, hand. F-O-O-T, foot. A-R-M, arm. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Nose. N-O-S-E, nose. E-A-R, ear. E-Y-E, eye. L-E-G, leg. F-A-C-E, face. All of you write. This one you cannot understand. See, this is M-O-U-T-H, mouth. It's not clear. Actually someone has written in my book, so I rubbed it out, so it's not clear. Okay, it's mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Can you understand now? Please write it down. This also. Teeth, leg, nose, hand, leg, hand, foot, arm, mouth, nose, ear, eye, leg, and face. Okay, clear? Now all of you please send your homework. This one will be your homework. This one will be your homework. All of you please send your homework. Many of you are not sending or doing your homework. It's a request to all the students. Please send your homework. Okay, be active, don't be lazy. Okay, since school is not there, please you have to do the homework. Okay, for today this much. Thank you.